Yo, what's up, YouTube? I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm gonna be reacting to Lil Uzi Vert, Firearm. I hope y'all enjoy this one. Let's get into it.
Sleep on me if you wanna.
I can't see myself, bring myself, bring myself. I can't see myself, bring myself, bring myself. I can't see myself, bring myself, bring myself. I can't bring myself, see myself, bring myself.
I wanna see you.
I can't be myself,
The
see
lawless
myself,
motherfucker that's in this bitch.
I can't be myself, see myself,
Don't be shy.
I can't sell myself,
Just be yourself.
fight yourself. I can't be myself, see myself, break myself.
Wait. Who's that in the back? Hold on. Who is that in the back?
Don't be shy. Just be yourself.
Who's the what is that called? Like the background vocals or whatever?
Fight yourself. I can't be myself, see myself, break myself. Break myself. I can't free.
There's a lot of noise. There's a lot of noise going on. The song hasn't even started yet, bro. What the heck?
I can't be myself, see myself, break myself. Break myself. I can't free myself.
The fire alarm. The fire alarm.
Free myself.
Oh, that was the firearm. Bruh. Okay. I get it now. I get it.
Free myself. I can't free myself.
The fire alarm. The fire alarm.
Free myself.
The fire alarm.
Free myself.
The fire alarm.
Free
Took your
myself.
bitch called emergency. Ain't no bitch never heard of me.
Whoa. Run it back.
The fire alarm.
Free myself.
The fire alarm.
Free myself.
The fire alarm.
Free
Took your
myself.
bitch called emergency. Ain't no bitch never heard of me. I fought hoes on perjury. She said, can I get a burger, please? I did 3 hoes in one day, so I gave my 4th girl dirty D. In her jaw, she wanna break her A and an edit like double D. Sent her Uber like, come to me. I ain't even touch her, she come for me. Taking these breaks, she know for me. Fuck all her friends when she run from me.
Wait. When did his voice get deep? Has it always been? No, it hasn't been like this. I remember like a couple years ago, I used to blast like EXO for Life and New Paddock and all his other songs, all his old songs, bro. His voice was not this deep. What's going on? Uzi, what's going on, gang?
Wanna break her A and an edit like double D. Sent her Uber like, come to me. I ain't even touch her, she come for me. Taking these breaks, she know for me. Fuck all her friends when she run from me. Don't be nervous. Fuck all her friends, she run from me. I just want you to go crazy when the beat drops. Just taking these breaks, she know for me. Fuck all her friends, yeah, she run from me. Whoa! 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 Taking these pills and these pills got me out of space, got me out of my mind, I really. All of my money, my pants, my money, my money, my pants. My watch on my rich, yeah, coaching with friends. My rich and my rich and my rich and a million. Cost me more than a little rollie. I treat my phone like it was a stoley. I put the ice on my ankle like
I treat my phone like it was a stoley. That was tough.
pants. My money, my money, my pants. My watch on my rich, yeah, coaching with friends. My rich and my rich and my rich and a million. Cost me more than a little rollie. I treat my phone like it was a stoley. I put the ice on my ankle like goalie. Down in my neck and it can't get no colder. Solitary on my neck and it's boulder. Rough for my job and I'm still selling coca. I know some bitches addicted to soda. I like this bitch but I can't even hold her. None
This album cover is hard. I'm not gonna lie. I might have to like react to the album or something. This song's pretty fire.
ankle like goalie. Down in my neck and it can't get no colder. Solitary on my neck and it's boulder. Rough for my job and I'm still selling coca. I know some bitches addicted to soda. I like this bitch but I can't even hold her. None of these bitches you really don't own them. Yellow stones on me, they look like it's Homer. One of my chains on my neck is a Franco. It was just dipped in the ocean like Homer. None of these niggas they fresher than Uzi. Philip Lim on me like an organ donor. Whoa! None of these
Wait, what?
One of my chains on my neck is a Franco. It was just dipped in the ocean like Homer. None of these niggas they fresher than Uzi. Philip Lim on me like an organ donor. Whoa! None of these niggas they fresher than Uzi. Philip Lim on me like an organ donor. She gave me
Put a what on me like a organ donor? Huh? Hold on. Run it back one more time.
None of these niggas, they fresher than Uzi. Philip Lim on me like an organ donor. Whoa!
I have no idea what he said. I'm not gonna lie.
Like homo. None of these niggas, they fresher than Uzi. Philip Lim on me like an organ donor. Whoa! None of these niggas, they fresher than Uzi. Philip Lim on me like an organ donor. She gave me hair like that bitch got diploma. Can't pull up before that.
She gave me head like she got a diploma. You get it because she's smart. You know? She's smart, so she get head like diploma. That was the bar. That was tough.
Philip Lim on me like an organ donor. Whoa! None of these niggas, they fresher than Uzi. Philip Lim on me like an organ donor. She gave me hair like that bitch got diploma. Can't pull up before that, ain't one Paloma. She pulled up on me to handle the boner. Original YSL, bitch, I'm a stoner.
Wait, Richard and YSL, I'm a stoner? Wait, what? Huh? Hold on.
On me like an organ donor. She gave me hair like that bitch got diploma. Can't pull up before that, ain't one Paloma. She pulled up on me to handle the boner. Original YSL, bitch, I'm a stoner. The fire alarm. The fire alarm.
The fire alarm. That's tough. I'm not gonna lie. It's tough.
Ain't one Paloma. She pulled up on me to handle the boner. Original YSL, bitch, I'm a stoner. The fire alarm. 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 The fire alarm.
It's tough. It's tough. I'm not gonna lie. It's tough.
The fire alarm.
Hey, but I'm not gonna lie. That was tough. That was tough. I'm not gonna lie. That was tough. Hey, but I hope y'all enjoyed the video. That was my reaction to Lil Uzi Vert's Fire Alarm. I'm gonna put it in the description so y'all can check it out yourselves. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. And K-Bands out. Peace.